Hey, client's about to pick up the car, and I just wanted to give it a nice little bit of bonus footage here in the beautiful sunshine. Typically, coatings need about a full week to cure. They get kind of glossier as they do, but the shine on this car is absolutely amazing. I really love Underdog Pro. It is a fantastic product, and this vehicle, had the full decon polish and all the regular hard work that I put into every vehicle. Those exhaust pipes now are looking phenomenal, and anyway, I just wanted to give a nice final farewell shot to this car, and the gloss and shine is just amazing, considering when it came in, just water spots everywhere, a lot of holograms and scratches. He keeps a car cover on it, and was lacking a little bit on the washing and drying maintenance and stuff, which we've gone over. So anyway, this has been a beautiful car to work on, and until next time, I will see you on the flip side. Wait, hey, there's the flip side. Okay. See you next time. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, a like, a share, write some comments, and most of all, hit that notification bell, bing, because that helps me out in my algorithms, which is all good.